know if you see anything.
Mm-hmm.
Because it should be live. It's been live for about 10 seconds.
Yep, it is go.
Okay,
I
sweet.
see it. I sing. Oh, I hear myself too. I'm gonna have to change that. Hang on. There we go.
You probably just, mute it. So you can hear me. Could you hear me in the stream as well?
Oh, let me test. Hang on.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
Yeah,
3. Sweet. Well, I guess we're live then. Okay, so we're doing some dev work on going viral. We're going to look at the feedback that some people have given us, and we're gonna see if we can improve it. So one of the things I did in the last devs, the one of the things I've already done is I've moved the health bar and the Mito bar or the Mito window closer to the player so people can see it. And if I run it, you're going to have a bit of a lag because it's streaming through YouTube.
Yeah, I don't know if we can afford the resources of like having share streaming at the same time.
Yeah.
Streaming. Might be asking a little much. Alright, let's see.
And I've muted the sound.
Yeah, curious to see what was in the feedback.
Okay, I'm muting that.
The game sound.
Yeah, you're very, very choppy. This is working my internet for all it's worth.
I don't know, my voice when it comes out of my mouth.
So you see there, it's the health bar appears closer to the player.
Hang on, I'm just waiting for him to read his first one. Oh, where was it before? On the top left?
It was in the top left.
Shoot. You know what I think we need to do is put it in the sprite itself.
Nah, well I tried that, but it really wouldn't work. Yeah. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Yeah, the problem is the Mito window doesn't show up all the time.
What if it was at the top right of the minimap? Or like right in the middle above the... If you go back to the shop drop down.
Yeah, hang on.
Because at the moment it feels kind of like a slightly awkward spot. I don't know if it's just because it's like it's not horizontal. It's slightly not. It's slightly above the horizontal.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, when you hover like next to the shop,
watch. See, it doesn't show the Mito window when. So that's a problem.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't actually show the Mito window when you've actually obtained something. So there's a problem there.
Wait, doesn't it apply in the play? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it should show that, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Wow, we got there's been some more feedback ever since I was looking at this. I just saw another message on another feedback message on the site. Minimap is a bit weird. It looked like the terrain was scrolling, but the pips has stayed still. Yeah, that's a problem that I've not been able to solve with the.
The mini map. Sorry, say again.
With the yeah, I'm just looking over here at a guy who's left some more feedback.
Yeah.
Slow going because yeah, it's also working my computer for all it's worth too.
Wait, I couldn't hear anything. It went choppy a minute there. But they were saying they didn't like what was it? Something to do with the parallaxing background, or was it the mini map background?
Yeah. Are you Salty Peter?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about fire?
So yeah.
Oh my god.
So let's just test this one because I do know it shows up in this map. First up, you got enough to pay your first upgrade. No, it still doesn't show. What the hell? Okay, well I'm gonna have to create an issue for this. Okay, I'm closing out of this. Okay, so let's. Yeah, okay, so I'm looking at this feedback that's been provided to me here. Let me show you. I'll put it in the chat. Like massive. This guy wrote a massive essay. He was clearly very pleased with it. And, yeah, a lot of other, like some friends reviewed it as well, and it was like, yeah, few lines, few words. Oh, I liked it. Oh, da da da. But this one was actually like, this guy's seriously put some thought into it. I wish the feedback window captured emails so I could talk to him a bit more. The minimap was a bit weird. It looked like the graphics were cute, he says. Some of the graphical elements were in strange position or overlapped when ran in full screen mode, but the graphics were crisp and cute. Okay. The minimap was a bit weird. It looked like the terrain was scrolling as I moved, but the pips for the enemies and cells stayed still, so I couldn't clearly see what was going on. Sometimes clicking the next upgrade of the wheel caused. Yep, that's something that I have not been able to resolve. Right, when you click clicking the next upgrade, it spins 270 degrees or forward by 90 degrees instead of forward by 90 degrees. I have not been able to fix that problem because it's a problem with the underlying thing. I have tried to fix it, but I just can't.
Maybe if it didn't spin at all, like if it highlighted instead, that might be actually.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. Yeah, just get rid of the spinning entirely and just have it highlighted.
maybe. Ooh. I could do art versions that were like depressed buttons, like if we turn them into buttons or something. I
Well,
could do like a pressed version and an unpressed version.
hang on. Let me get the upgrades menu.
Or it could just be
So-
transparency.
Yeah. What do you think of that? What I've done here, I've said click for allies, click for. So yeah, it's very very clear. You click here to get the allies.
Wait, where are you showing me this?
In the am I sharing? Oh, you're watching the stream, aren't you?
Yeah.
What the hell? It should still be there. It should still be running.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So yeah, and it changes. So if I get the animations up, yeah, apply. So switch to player. So yeah, so it does it all properly now.
Yeah, but what we might need to do to indicate which one is selected is just turn the color up right to its sort of bright to that state.
Yeah. So.
Of the background, rather.
Yeah, because the widget that I use, the control I use for this, it's from an add-on, and it's called Radial Container. And I don't think so. Oh, radial theme per. Hang on. So, new radial container theme. Dimensions. Does this? So there's 4. It's not. Doesn't seem to be changing. Oh wait, I'm in the ally panel. God, idiot. Okay, get rid of that.
Oh, I thought of something, by the way.
Yeah.
For streaming purposes,
There we go.
I could find some copyright-free musics
Nice.
to put in the background. The only thing is, I think.
Yeah, that could work. Hey, how about this? This could work.
Oh, hang on. Looking.
So it's sort of I can assign a different theme to
Yeah.
whichever one is selected. So it's sort of like sticks out a bit.
That might be alright. The background's a bit bright so far. I don't know if you.
Yeah, but I can add it. That's okay. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
so
that's
text-
fine. Yeah.
Quick load
If it's
texture.
out same amount, yay fine. Oh,
What's the current radial container theme? Style, the texture. Yeah. So if I grab that, God, I love Godot.
it's
Oh,
so
it
much
is.
so much easier to mess with.
So it's so intuitive, and I can show you the shit that I've been doing with yeah. So like that. Change the texture.
Okay.
Can change the lighting or something like that.
Yeah, it could just be a lighting change, to be fair.
What I might do is I might duplicate what we got.
Yeah, because I think if we do like a regular stream like this, where we're going through, that'll do it. Where we're going through like How about a light purple?
Hang on, give me a sec.
A light violet. Yeah, where we're going through like issues and sort of resolving them.
Yeah, that'll
I
work.
should. If I had like another. How would it work? I do wonder if we ran like screen share, because what I want to do is have a way where I can video me doing art or something at the same time, and then we could have like a place perspective or something.
Yeah, no, that'd be good. Bless, but one thing I just really need to do is yeah, what I need to do is what am I talking about? I need to run an Ethernet cable to my router because like the internet is really slow. I'd be surprised if YouTube is freaking out or something, or saying, "Oh, we're gonna shut down your stream because it's too slow," or some shit like that. Yeah. Make unique. Make unique. Make unique.
Probably.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. I haven't tested the audio. I'll shut up for a minute. I'll listen.
Yeah. So I can change the color.
Hang on, I'm gonna mute it. Give me a sec.
I heard that in the background.
Huh. Is there... Hang on, let me turn your volume back up here. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, there we go. Yeah, my audio is kind of choppy. Man, yeah, I think the Ethernet's gonna be the solution.
Yeah.
That may have been out.
Yeah. The problem is my I'm running over Wi-Fi.
So what I was also gonna try and do is find some music that we can play on stream. Let's see.
Yeah, I didn't know that for the because when I put the demo on Steam, what I didn't realize, because I was thinking, oh shit, I should find out what I should find out what.
Was that a boat?
What, say again?
Was that a boat?
No, it was an alarm.
Oh, okay.
My phone alarm. It's 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. here.
Okay. Sounded like a... Sorry, carry on.
Yeah. So when I put the demo on Steam, and then I thought, oh shit, what about the music and the sound effects? And so I messaged Kyle and said, hey, what are there any licensing agreements that we should be worried about with the sound effects and the music you provided to us? And he says, oh no, it's all I composed it all myself. And I'm like, shit, we've got some good talent here. Actually, we've really got some good talent.
I was really impressed with it because he whipped it up in like 2 days, and I was like, holy shit! Because I was like, the guy's talented.
Yeah. So how do I know if it was okay? Yeah, this is something. So the other thing the guy said in this for music bots.
Yeah, and then I can start messing with music for the stream. I'll tell you what. I'll find the one I. Tell you the one. Hang on.
So you mean like a voice channel or an audio channel or just a regular chat channel?
Make me a text room, yeah.
Text room, okay. I'll put it under
in game dev. I think it would have to be.
Put it under game dev. text channel,
Thank you, Bird.
music, bot.
Okay, and then I will try.
I'll make it a private channel, and I'll make it so you team leader. Are you a team leader, or are you just in? I'll put it under GB Dev too.
Hang on.
You should be in that role.
Okay, so once you've done that.
Yeah, you're under game dev. You're under GB Dev, so you should be able to get in. Okay, yeah, I've made it.
Oh,
So
okay, sweet. So install that, and then theoretically, I should be able to play things.
feature risk Discord music multi-vault with support for sources such as Spotify. Require permissions. Okay, I'll add it.
Now I'll just find some.
Add to Menix Games. So this will allow the developer of Jockey to add a bot to the server and create commands. Okay. I got it, and I grant the Jockey Music administrator permissions.
I found one that's quite funny. Let's try this.
Okay, give me a sec.
Okay.
Go back to Menix Games.
It's gonna be like one of those YouTube channels that plays the same copyright-free music library. So if that's added, this should work. Let's try. Oh,
Did it work?
I'm not sure. Hang on. So
Yeah, we're Boomerang Discord, Boomerang Godot, Boomerang OBS, Boomerang YouTube.
here we go. That work?
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do.
Okay. Possibly no.
So
Exclamation mark.
upgrades menu, set current upgrade. So we're not going to tween anything. So instead of spinning, it's not going to spin anymore. Oh wait, shit. Shit.
Oh, I think you might have to do it. Do I have server managing permissions?
Oh. Okay, hang on. Let me try and add it to you.
Thank you. Otherwise, you could fiddle with it if you like. I don't mind.
I just put you into admin. Sound good?
Okay, that should work.
Try that.
Let's do and sweet. Thank you. Ahaha! Here we go. So one change prefix.
Git K. What am I up to? Because I'm shit. There we go.
Cool. That should have worked. Okay, let's try this then. Ha ha ha!
YouTube videos are no longer
Oh,
supported.
don't do it. Oh,
I can just play it if you
unacceptable.
want.
I mean, the good thing about it coming through Discord is you can level it the same as other voices. You know what I mean? It's easy to level it that way. Oh well. I guess let's kick it then.
Yeah, I guess. So what I'm gonna do?
Shoot.
Uh,
I'll try adding a different one. Let me test something. Actually, tell you what, I'll go to my other stream and test it there. Be right back.
I'm playing it through Discord right now. Okay, he's gone. Okay, so I'm going to modify the code. Maybe I should move the code window into here so people can see it. La, 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 la. Here's where so I'm not going to tween that. I'm going to so we don't need to worry about that. This is funny music. So I'm commenting out all of this. And I'm going to hide.
Seems that
What?
like many Discord music bots, it just suddenly decided it didn't want to do its main function, which is playing YouTube videos. Like
Whatever.
surely, it's the copyright gods.
Can you play it? Can you hear it being played? Because I'm playing it, so it should be here. You should be audible on the stream, is it?
Oh, I'll check. Be right back. You must have. How can I leave?
Oh god, I haven't looked at this code in almost over 8 months. 9 months I haven't looked at this code. How did I do it?
Aha! I have returned.
Yes, you have.
Yeah.
And oh god, it's gonna be so annoying
I
and complicated to do this.
I can hear it quite well. Leveling wise, my voice is probably at about 60%. Music's probably at like 80%. Your voice is probably at like 55.
So it's
So,
being drowned out, is it? Okay, so let me turn the music down just a bit.
Well, overall the stream's quite quiet though. That's why I mean,
Yeah,
see if
cause
you can rate
I'm going off a webcam thing as well. But I should set
Oh,
up
yeah.
my podcast microphone and everything. But yeah, I got up really late.
Well,
Okay.
yeah, next time we'll do that. One
Yeah.
thing that's quite funny, there's like the sound of an aircraft engine in the back.
No, that is my. Yeah, I don't have a noise floor. It's the sound of my computer, and it's just because it's.
Yeah, exactly. Well, anyway, the music's quite fun. I quite like that one. Yeah, so I think apart from that, just a matter
Yeah,
of
filters. Let me experiment with some audio filters. put in a noise gate.
Okay. Let me mute and deafen. Hang on.
So, Knowles. Speed.
Aha! I have returned.
Is it any
that noise
good?
gate. Yeah, that noise gate works wonders.
Okay, great. Apologies to people who have been listening for the last couple of minutes. By my noisy computer, I'm sorry.
Yeah. It's progress. Progress is what we're at.
Zero.
What you working on now? What's this bit?
So I'm working on so.
Oh.
Neutrophil. This is why I have. Yeah, what I did say.
That feedback was pretty handy, to be fair. I liked it.
Yeah, that's probably the best feedback we've had. Actually highlighted some stuff. I really wish that I'd put Alcon. The feedback form so that had possibly spoken, definitely said, yeah, I'm definitely going to add when it. So yeah, that's very
really good design.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay, so the old upgrade. So laughing at Forge.
The sound of the it's mainly the sound. It's like the airplane engine cutting in and out. I just think it's funny.
It's always cutting in and out when I'm talking.
Well, I mean, it's just picking up your voice or keystrokes and things like that. But I think when you're using the other mic, it'll be better at filtering that kind of thing.
Probably, yeah. But also, I think that's actually an issue Carl's videos have. Did you notice that?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, if what we're doing every time we do a stream like this is we look find like something to work on like now.
Yeah.
I'm mostly moral support today until I figure out what next to do. Then I think we could just keep doing this for a while. I think we should definitely do it regularly because if nothing else, we'll be making slow progress on You know what? What I need, what I shouldn't have done, is stopped working at freaking Pizza Hut. Because at least when I was working at Pizza Hut, I could have a holiday, and then bash down a load of work in this.
Yeah,
You know. But now, being self-employed, it's like it's just non-stop grind.
yeah, I know. Like it's how I feel. Doing I'm trying to review Sophie Libb's book. Uh,
Oh yeah.
Sophie Libb's book, and I'm doing it for free. And in exchange, she's illustrating this kid's book. Guy who
Oh.
he sent me his like stuff to have. I have not had to look at it yet.
Mm.
And of course, married life gets priority. Life is so wonderful. If anybody's watching this, aside from us two, get married.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Get married as early as possible. Have all the kids. Have all the kids you can.
Yeah.
Yeah. That sounds good. I'm about. Well, my plan was to move to Canada, but now I'm kind of like I don't know about that. Canada seems even sketchier than before. Um, and for any Canadians watching, it's okay. I'm also Canadian. I can be racist towards Canadians. uh,
Okay. Prepare to hold Gala.
I haven't heard that in a while.
Uh,
Oh, their song "The Tempest." Ah, if only we could play that. Should we just ask them and be like, "Hey, Pendulum, can we
Yeah.
use your song "The Tempest" just for everything?"
the first time I heard that was you ever watch Code?
No.
You ever watch any abridged series?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, I only watched a bit of Dragon Ball Abridged.
Yeah, so Code Ment is a it's a Code Ment nun piece, and they're these ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous, like shows that where it's basically I swear the guy who bipolar or something is he just nuts. Okay, so that should work.
Hmm. I'm watching on the old time delay. You know what we do need? We do need. Oh. Ooh. Kind of like that.
Yeah. Bear with.
Hang on. I'm mid train of thought. I lost the train. I missed the train. Yeah, if you check out you know my Duck and Raven channel.
Yeah.
So we've been doing like D&D ones on that.
Yeah.
Where we use like an embedded Discord pop out type of thing to record the whole thing. Have a look at that and see if you like the layout, because we could do something similar if bandwidth and computer can handle it. And theoretically, that way, I could add into that like a share screen and show you could have like an art window or whatnot that you could switch easily. That might work.
Well, and yes, I pronounce it Godot because I'm not a bloody Australian Homer Simpson. Get out!
Get out!
Get out! Instead of good day. Go dot. Go dot. Because there's a fucking T on the end.
Yeah.
Rats. Like Tim Pool.
It's always a funny thing with like when Kiev happened and they were all just like, no, we're going to pronounce it Kiev, and it's just like, mate,
Shut
what's that?
up, you twats.
It's a chicken Kiev, you know. It's like I'm not changing the pronunciation of Kiev.
Well, it's just so much grandstanding. Oh, I'm so progressive. Oh, I'm so caring. Oh, I love them so much. Shut up.
I mean, it's kind of like you know when people go holiday in France and they're like, "Oh, I'm going to Paris." You know, it's like, man,
Yeah.
say Paris.
You're English.
It's like,
Pronounce it like you're English.
like, I know how to say it. I know how to say it in a different language. So,
I'm so sophisticated.
well done, I guess. You know.
Okay. Gosh.
Oh. You know what? I never understood one computer. Like, just on my one in particular cell border thing.
Upgrades. Oh, mismatch. Okay, so.
What was missing? Is it the upgrade thing?
Yeah. Stuff done.
Oh. I'm glad people like the art, though. That's really
Well, no, yeah, you should be really pleased with that. Done a really good job.
That pleases me. I mean, it's not like it's not too hard to make, you know. It's just kind of. But I mean, I just thought with everything being digital, it would be a change of pace.
Yeah, I've been scratching at the art. I've been scratching at the sandbox for Tears of God, Tears of the Gods, and it's and like I'm using the A kit. You heard of that? The it's like stock 3D models and stuff, and stuff and mainly I'm building the inventory system. I've added adding and things like that, sword fighting and stuff. Still very basic, but I think it would look really good when we have our own graphics and our own engines. Something a bit better than what.
Well, I wonder, like, how much, like, whether I could do hand-painted stuff for some of the background sprites. I think that would be cool.
Yeah, well,
Or at least, like, hand-done textures and stuff. That might give it a... That's super easy to do. Yeah, the only background, it's like, if only I could select the multi-stage level, then it has
Sorry.
to be that size. I wonder if that's what's slowing it down, actually.
What? me, when I play the
Some
game,
of
I
the
think it slows down.
Yeah, well, you know how the frames dropped when it when it pans.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if that might be. Next time we do this, I could probably try and fix that a bit.
Let's see. Come on, crash on me, bastard.
Oh no! Oh, I see. So on the stream, it's like one's selected, and then it stayed selected. So at least it's visually clear now. I think it should probably be a bit brighter, but that's me.
That's one thing I will say is that Godot does crash a lot, and I started a lot, stopped responding to input, so there are some bugs to it. Oh, it's just so much better to you.
I mean, if Godot's like that, right? And if Unity crashes the same amount, then it's like, oh my god, you know, people are paying that much. The amount that they charge is actually just beyond beyond comprehension how much it costs. It's actually crazy. Like, I don't know how businesses are supposed to sort of like if you have like a mildly successful business, like say you're making, I don't know, 50,000 a year, it as like two people. Well, actually no, say 60,000 a year, and you're like a super small business. You've got like 2 employees. I'm pretty sure you have to pay so much money that it's like preventative.
Yeah.
It's like, don't understand why that's the model.
I'm really working my computer. The guts of my computer is it's almost 15 years old. The guts of my computer, and the graphics hardware is okay. Processor is not a problem. It's all video streaming processor. So it's Discord. Really.
Yeah.
It's...
I would have been able to probably do it if I hadn't dropped my shelf onto my other laptop and killed it. Yeah. Oh well. Now I've got like one shitty old computer and a shitty new laptop, neither of which can do anything that well. so so instead of having my dual screen, setup, 2 separate computers, 2 mice,
Yeah.
it's funny.
I'm gonna make it slower. Hey, calm down, Godot. Calm down. That's one thing I really wish. It's save script. Look.
Ew.
Ah, shit. Stuffed up. Shortcut key for screen save. Go to Control Alt Save in the script editor. If you do Control Save, it'll save everything. But if there's nothing in the main change, only in the script editor something's changed, and save anything in the script editor.
Yeah, that's one way to lose your progress type of thing.
Well, it doesn't. You don't necessarily progress. It just puts an S into your script. Oh shit, can't run. These are minor differences. The main thing with you is it's really, really slow and interfacing with having to interface with Studio. Like I used to love Visual Studio, but then like it just got too heavy, too baggy. They kept changing everything.
I never understood what the point of Microsoft, like what the Visual Studio was. It's like, why isn't that just part of the part of the part of Unity?
Yeah, well, that's a good thing. Godot is that it has its own script. And the thing that's nice about GD script is that it's nice and Pythonic as well. So I'm very familiar with Python. Problem is like when you're declaring a function in Python, you use def, and declaring a func. So when I go to work and I need to program in Python, it takes me a while to get used to saying func again. There we go.
Oh, I'm still 10 seconds behind. But once we've
Ah,
got this going, I reckon we head out today because we don't want the stream to be too long. Oh yeah, hang on. Oh, we've only been going an hour. What am I talking about?
okay, so
Oh, so it's working for one wheel but not the other.
yeah.
I'm still waiting. 10 seconds ago.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, that seems to work on that wheel. Nice.
Make
Make Unique?
Eunice, you unique. You need unique New York.
No, no, don't make Unique.
I have to clock off probably in about 20 minutes to start work. It'll probably
Oh yeah.
work now.
That was an interesting visual glitch right there.
What happened?
Oh, the scale multiplied by a, a huge factor. That was quite funny.
Yeah. Now, once I've ran an able, I might also getting a better router. The one I've got is the one left to me by the house from. Lovely, lovely people. Such a really nice house, and but yeah, I might need to invest in a new router. And,
I don't know how viable it is in that house, but you might want to do. Have you seen Powerline before? So what Powerline is, it goes through the cables of your house.
Yeah, and Ethernet over power.
The internet signal.
I used to have that, and it very, very, very slow.
Really? See,
Ridiculous how slow it was.
mine's quite fast, but right. Crazy. Yeah, no, it is fast. Mine's pretty high. But yeah, if I need to, the thing is, I'm using probably like 10 years old or something. They're super old. Actually, no more than 10 years, maybe. So I need some more ones, some new ones.
Okay, so I need to have some recognition changing.
So I'm trying to catch up here. Hmm. Looks good on the stream, to be honest.
Yeah.
Does it not let you go? Do you know what I might do though? I might start replacing where is what's the files that pulls from for the cells?
What cells?
Does that you know how you've got the wheel, and then to the right you've got the info panel, and then you've got like the illustration of the cell behind it, or like say the allies or the upgrade or whatnot.
Hang on. You mean in the upgrades menu?
Yeah. Where does that pull those images from? Because I might replace those with non-transparent ones just to make everything brighter.
We're breaking up as well. I'm not talking about.
Ah, shoot. Uh, Never mind. Hang on. I might be able to find it, but I might have to leave it till next time. I'm not either. I'll make a thing on it for me on the GitHub thing. Let's see. Place upgrade LMU.
A list of the so cell cell using this because there's if old old
Okay. Options of one. I'm gonna look at that feedback you gave again for the back. Let's see. I wonder what they were saying about. Did you figure out what they were saying about the mini map, the terrain like scrolling?
Yeah, it's a problem that I've not been able to resolve. I swear I've
Ah,
tried. I swear to God, I've resolve it. It's
oh right. So the enemies still.
uh,
So I think the main ones being like health visibility, menu visibility, and usability. Those we've pretty much got a handle on. For the health one though, I wonder if there's a better way to show it. I guess. Oh, do you want me to put in a thing for the mitochondria total amounts to get that to pop up correctly again?
what do you? Sorry, you broke up a bit more. Sorry, man.
Um, I'll add. Never mind. I'll add something in the. I'll add something in the going viral GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
If it's unnecessary, just delete it.
So slow. Hang on a sec. Hang on. Um. Oh, if so simple. So many statements. Statement. So annoying. Coding. But ooh.
I just saw there was like a from October 2024 a there's a task that says incorporate the name into the gameplay.
Yeah, I never got around
Just-
to doing that. I couldn't figure out a.
I'm gonna have to think about that one. I mean, it could be like, we're sending you out to the lungs. The lungs have gone viral. We need to send you in as a white blood cell to go and clear out the infection. Make the pay.
Yeah.
There was another issue I'm trying to remember. I think we should look at some of the timings of these animations. Maybe revisit. Okay, so speed up. Respawnation.
With it.
Alright, so I've added 4 issues. Okay. Right. What is testing now?
Okay, that's now. Okay, I'm happy with that. Are you happy with that?
Looks all right. My only thing is I'd probably change the color. That's my only thing.
Color that it. What would you?
The wheel segment goes. If it were, I think we should do a kind of violet color, like a kind of dusty purple. Same color as the lymph node. That might tie it together a bit more. Is there a way to do it by uniform, or do you have to go through everyone now?
No. I just changed one line of code.
Okay, good. Yeah, so see those images in the back. I'm gonna change those so that they aren't transparent as well. I'll have to see if I still have some opaque ones.
Why? No, I made them.
Oh, you did? Oh, so for this color, lighter, like much closer to white. That's what I'm thinking.
That
Keep going, keep going.
slow stream.
Oh, okay. That's the point.
Screen.
Yeah. That'll do, that'll do.
Will be good.
Yeah, I like that. I like where you got it set on there, actually. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Oh yeah. So the ones that you made transparent, do you mean the cells? Say if you were to switch to the allies one, then those like those cells in the background, as in the like mast cell and macrophage and all that. I'm pretty sure the base images I gave you had some transparency. So I might need to go back into the
what
original.
the fuck?
Ugh. Something went weird. The scale. There you go.
That's the problem. This the simple game, but it's got so dense and start stuffing up easily.
Mm.
I'm gonna have to clock off soon as well.
Yeah.
Change that. What I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is so what I'd like to do. I'll list.
Mm. The project.
There's the sandbox that I've been showing.
Taking time here.
So yeah, I've got a little I've got a little system set up. I've got a sometimes it's weird, but run it, see it.
Mm.
That works. Let me get rid of the bug stuff.
That looks quite fun. The style of characters are quite funny.
Yeah. we should work out our own, but like work out kind of a shader so that it looks like got jumping and running well. But one thing I'm particularly proud of is equipment selection. So we've got an inventory, consumables, haven't implemented yet. Got weapons, got shields, spells. I'm probably going to drop, but it's a bit too Breath of the Wild at the moment. So, but like a quick select for shields and for weapons, and it's got support for two-handed stuff.
Cool.
Baddies. So you pick up weapons and all that. One thing I'm ripped with is changing characters.
Ah. See, I was thinking that we'd be able to do some fun things with that in the puzzles. You know, in the section of the game where we've got we've got Princess Jan with us, and then we just go like, oh, what was that game called? Like the Ice and Fire,
I don't know.
that type of one.
Yeah.
There was again. I'm sure there was an Ice and Fire game where like one's a girl, one's a boy, and they have to work together in different parts of the map using their own different abilities.
Yeah, I think we had discussed something like that. But yeah, one thing that I'm particularly pleased with is so I've started putting my own like building interface plugins. So I've got a little database where it shows all the character types and you can character profiles and everything, and you can create new characters. Got stuff where you can see all weapons that are available in the database, create new ones, but you can also find which characters are in the scene and which ones are players.
That's really so using that, you'd be able to create like behaviors, specific behaviors. Like if yada yada is present, then
Yeah, well, I'm not up to that. I'm not up to that yet. There is code where I can do that, but what I'm actually what I'm also really pleased with is, yeah, I can say who can equip, and it shows you all the characters. So I'll create a new character. It's fatter.
oh right, so like
Oh wait, I said create a new character.
so that's like the beginning of our enemy differentiation system.
Yeah.
Anyway, isn't it?
But
Yeah.
you see here, I created a character, right? I created a character, and whether or not a weapon can be equipped by that character, the character automatically shows up, and I can just checkbox. Excellent. But the other thing that I'm pretty pleased with as well is inventory. I built playable characters, so I can change, like in the inspector, I can show what their initial equipment is. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to build a demo where it's an obstacle course, and you can pick who your ally is going to be, and then one ally could have like a certain class, and the other ally can have a class, and you take a different route based on. Like you've got to solve different puzzles based on which ally you pick, or something like that. So yeah, just little features like that I've been working on, and it's not. There's still some bugs here and there, but it does the job. Anyway, I'm gonna have to head off, man. I've got to take the start. I've got to get to work, and I've got business to work, and so yeah. But it's been a good stream. I hope. Yeah, I'll push the changes that we've made. I've done it in a branch you know what a Git branch is?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I've done it. I've done the changes in a branch, and so I'll push those.
Uh huh. Yeah, no, that should be fine. I'll have more to contribute next time. So, but I've put some issues on the Git for us to look at.
Yep.
So yeah, let's do it next week then and see how we go.
Yeah, and I'll run an F table next 60.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yep. I'll talk to you later, man.
All right. Don't
Yeah.
forget to end the stream.
Yeah, I'm ending the stream.
We'll,
Bye, everyone.